So we will speak with you about the writing rhythm down and grouping the notes and rests. And now I want to pay your attention. The quavers can be replaced by a crotchet in any of the time signature. 4 quavers can be replaced by a minute. And we also can use 6 quavers to fill the complete 3/4. We have to remember that in time signature 4/4, the quavers never should be beamed together across the beat number 2 and 3. As well about the semiquavers, so about 4 semiquavers can be replaced on uh, instead of one crotchet or mix between quavers and semiquavers. So let's see. The crotchet can be presented for us as like the 2 quavers or 4 semiquavers or mix quaver with 2 semiquaver or 2 semiquaver with quaver as well dotted quaver with semiquaver, meaning we can replace as like dotted crotchet and quaver. The crotchet give us 1 beat and the minim 2 beats. So in time signature 2/4 we know that we can use with you 2 crochets or other options for it when we can replace the crotchet by any other option. Then in time signature 3/4 we have to use with you 3 beats, and again we can use any replacement instead of any crotchet. So it's when you write the 4-bar rhythm you can pretend what you want. And in time signature 4/4 we have to use 4 crochets. We have to remember that we cannot join it across the beat number 2 and 3, but we can remember that each beat can be by itself. And now we have to rewrite the same but join it by beat. So we have 2 halves, anyway 4 halves, and in time signature 2/4 we have to join it by 2 together to get the time of the crotchet for each beat. So we join the first 2 together and the next 2 together. In time signature 3/4 we have to show 3 separate beats. We have the 2 quavers, 2 and 2 quavers. So we join them together by 2. And in this case you can see 3 groups equal 1 crotchet. Next one, we again join with you it by 2 halves together, and the last is the crotchet. 4 crochets in a bar in the 4, and the last is the minim. So we have with you 2 groups by quavers and 1 minim, 1 crotchet, and all left are quavers, which we have to join by 2 together. And we can see with you 4 separate groups. Next one, we can find with you quaver with 2 semiquavers and 2 other quavers. So all together the first and second beat. We join it by crochet as well. Next one in 3/4 we have with you a lot of the semiquaver beats, and we have to join them all together to get the crochet beat by itself each time. It's going to be 4 semiquavers at the end. The last is minim and 2/4 and half and crochet. So 2/4 and half makes for us the crochet beat, and the last is crochet as well.